This is the second tutorial of Model United Nations, writing a position paper. By definition, the position paper is similar to a written essay that shows your country's policies on the topics being discussed in your committee. It will help you organize your ideas so that you can share your country's position with the rest of the committee. Where to start? You have first to take a look at the background guide given to you. It helps you to be more acquainted with the topic to be discussed. It's very important to base your position paper as a delegate on answering the questions it includes in respect to your country's positions. Reading the background guide is step number 1 to start a position paper. What does a position paper include? It includes all of these 7 points: a description of the committee, introduction to the topic, a background information about the topic, an international action, the recommendation for formulating a resolution, question to consider, and sources to further research. If you conduct extensive research, then your position paper should be very easy to be written. The position paper format is made up of 5 parts, a heading and 4 other paragraphs. The heading, or the general information, is the name of the country or the committee topic name. You don't mention the school's name here. You only put the flag of your country or the coat of arms. The first body paragraph is the opening statement, and it should include 3 to 4 sentences answering these questions. Why is this topic important for the committee to address? Why does your country care about this topic in general? What is the background or history of your country in dealing with a topic? The second paragraph should include the national actions. It has to be of 5 to 8 sentences, including 2 questions. What is your country's national policy to solve the problem? What measures or actions did your country take to address this issue on a national level? The third paragraph has to include the international actions, and it is of 5 to 8 sentences, answering these 4 questions. How has your country addressed the issue on an international level? What actions has your country taken on the issues on an international level? What conventions, treaties, or any other resolutions have your country attended or signed or supported regarding this issue? What organizations addressing this issue is your country a member of? The fourth paragraph is the recommendations for action, and it should include 5 to 8 sentences. Number 1, what recommendations would your country like to see the international community take to address the problem? What role would your country like to see the international community take to address this issue? When you write your position paper, you have to cite your sources. You have to keep it simple and organized. You have to read and reread, let the bullets fly because there is no listing here. Your position paper should not exceed the 1-page limit, and the references can be put on the next page. When writing a position paper, do not use the pronoun I, but use your country's official name. Do not include irrelevant information you learned about the country that are not related to the topic. Do not speak negatively about your country. Always abide by your country's official policy. Do not support actions that are not in your country's position, even if you personally agree with them. Use the MLA format. This was the second tutorial of writing a position paper. If you have any questions concerning it, never hesitate to contact me.